Hello guys, yeah, today we'll be looking at the Euro USD. We'll be practicalizing and doing our analysis based on the Fibo deviation projection, the Fibonacci levels in inverse. Looking at the Euro USD, we take a look at the higher high and the lower low. Yeah, starting from here, we'll be projecting our Fibonacci deviation from the lowest price to the recent break of structure. There you are, and we'll project our profit to minus 25 Fibo level. Yes, that's another break of structure, but we have another good sample of break of structure which has given us the structure. Then from there we make our entry, we put the stop loss right below the lowest price. There you are, we have our minus 2.5 Fibo projection level trigger. As a matter of fact, I will always call this an order flow. So that is the limit which we can hold our stop loss. The arrow there from the high, I'm projecting down. But unfortunately, once the price has not closed below minus 1.5, it reverses back and take the recent high. So there we do our projection upward again. There you see. So we look at this sequence and we continue our projection as the price goes. You can see again. Yeah, what we see here is we look at where we can always find a break of structure, where the candlestick closes below the change of character. This is another one, and the minus 2.5 Fibo projection is triggered upward. So coming from the upward side at the higher price, we couldn't find a break of structure, but when we look at another lower high, there is a break of structure. As you can see from here, there you go, top down to the nearest break of structure. Then we make our entry. This tends always repeat itself. Once we are able to identify our break of structure, it works all the time, guys. That is what I use as a classic trader. The Fibo doesn't lie. It's a natural phenomenon. Those are natural numbers. But in this case, I tend to specialize on the Fibo, on the negative Fibo, that is the inverse of the Fibonacci levels, which I called the Fibo deviation projection. So guys, can you see? Yes, because that was the recent close to, opposite to the you see that? Looking at this projection, you find out that the price didn't make it to the minus 1.5, but looking at the next break of structure after that level, you will find out that it actually made its minus 2.5 Fibo targets. That is the Fibo projection target. There you go, at exact level of minus 1.5 Fibo level. So we repeat this process once we are able to dictate our structure shifts or change of character, and we should always confirm with the recent after we, that is the higher high, to confirm the level. So with this strategy, you can go on and on and on and on according to how the price moves, which I call order flow. So look at our recent low, the lowest low, the break of structure, then there is a pullback at minus 1, and we wait for another break of structure, and we project our Fibo deviation, which confirms the projection of the first Fibo deviation projection. You can see between minus 2.1, minus 2.5 and minus 2. There you go. Boom. So going forward, we found out that we could get another break of structure, but the break of structure couldn't make it to 1.57, 1.15, minus 1.15, sorry guys, and reverses back. And take out the low. So guys, we couldn't find any entry or any trade here or any structure in which for us to make our entry. So we move forward and look at the price there. You see what I'm saying, guys? That is a break of structure there, but the price got to minus 0.61 inverse and pulled back. By pulling back, we could see a break of structure. That is a change of character there, which gives us a structure to project our new Fibo. Then there comes a pullback, giving us a higher low and another break of structure. We project this to confirm the earlier Fibo projection we made, which confirms our exit points. So this gives us a risk-reward ratio of 2.3. Guys, this strategy works for me all the time. So it saves me from the stress of any type of ICT diagram or whatever. So once you know how to use these Fibo levels, these Fibo inverse levels, and locate your structures, your change of character, and your break of structures to confirm when the pullbacks happens or occur, you will always get your minus 2.5 or minus 2 Fibo deviation projection triggered. But once it takes out the low, this tells us that our projection is invalid. It makes it invalid. You can see that the one we projected. And guys, we can always confirm it with another break of structure. Like I told you, when the reverse occur, it only gives you an advantage to confirm your initial minus 2 stroke minus 2.5 Fibo projection. There you see, guys, boom. That's our target there. So going forward, the lower low is around 1.6455. The recent candle close will serve as our change of character, opposite to the point of pullback in the opposite direction of the trend. So we can use our pullback, that is the break of structure, to confirm our projection, which is in between minus 2.5 and minus 2 of the confirmation projection. So guys, we see and we wait to get our exit trigger. So you can see, guys, look at how we've gone from the lowest low, where the reversal occurs, that's the change of character, as we move with the price and the trend. This is a 4-hour chart, and in 4-hour charts, the price don't get manipulated easily. So I will employ you guys, if you are interested in using this strategy and if you are practicing it, always make use of the 4-hour chart. It really takes a lot of patience and waiting, but it's worthwhile. It's worthwhile. So I can assure you, out of every 10 trades you make with this strategy in 4 hours time frame, the winning rate is more than 60%. Guys, this is insane. This strategy really works for me, and I bet you, if you study it very well, it's going to work for you. It has made my trading very, very simple and easy in terms of the strategy analysis. Like you see, that is where we try to test if the structure is okay, but the price rejected. The price was rejected, and there was a pullback right there, upward. Guys, you can see how the price goes and how we have followed the price according to the market structure. So guys, thank you, and please hit the subscribe button if you want more of this kind of videos. Thank you.